we are back with another adding strategy. You'll see that we have the same problem as yesterday, 223 plus 129. We're still looking at these 3-digit numbers and seeing different strategies of how we can add them and get to our answer the easiest for us. So this is a new strategy called the place value adding strategy, okay? This one is more, we're gonna look at place value than anything. So it's important that you know what place value these numbers are in. So we know that this is our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. So what we're going to do today is break these down by by ones, tens, hundreds. Add them and then bring the numbers all together at the end. So if I'm going to start with actually my hundreds this time, or you could begin with your ones, it's totally up to you, but I'm going to start with the hundreds because that's where I feel most comfortable. So I'm going to look at the 2 and the 1 and I'm going to think, that's actually 200 plus 100. I'm going to pretend that these numbers are not even here, and that would actually make them 0. So 200 plus 100 equals, I know, 2 plus 1 equals 3, and I'm just going to bring down my zeros. So I'm going to put 300 here. And now I'm finished with the hundreds. Now I'm going to go to my tens. 2 tens plus 2 tens. I know that that's actually 20 plus 20, because 2 tens is equal to 20. 20 plus 20, I know, is 40, because 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now I'm going to bring my 40 over here, and I'm going to make sure that it stays in line, because this is what place value is. And now I'm going to come to my ones. 3 plus 9. Now, I'm going to put it over here just to show you, but 3 plus 9 is a count-on fact that I could do in my head. So 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know the answer to that being 12. So now I'm going to bring this 12 and put it here. Again, I'm going to keep it in line with the rest of the numbers so that I know that the place values are not changing or I don't get myself confused. It's important that you write these very neatly so that maybe this 2 isn't over here and this 1 is over here, because that would give you the wrong answer. So now I'm going to come back and I'm going to add these all together, and now I'm going to start in the ones. Here we go. 0 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 4 plus 1 equals 5. 3 plus nothing equals 3. I'm going to circle my answer. I got 352. Now, this was a much simpler way than yesterday's. It was simpler because I didn't have to draw out a lot of things. I didn't need to make trades. I just had to look and see what was in the different place values, what was in the hundreds, what was in the tens, what was in the ones. I came over to the side and I did my work, and then I brought each answer back over and added them all together. Now, again, for today, you're going to use this strategy with a couple of problems that you have. Now, this works really well for numbers that are bigger. Make sure that you give it a chance. Like I said, take your time, and also make sure that you are lining up these numbers the best that you can so that you don't make mistakes that you can avoid. All right? Okay.